Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your old Facebook account without password, email, or phone number. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and first of all, I'm going to open up my Facebook application and then we're going to search for the account we want to delete. We can go to the search menu right here. And for example, I'm going to delete this old Facebook account. So this is my old account guys, and I'm going to delete it without the password, email, and phone number because I already forgot the password. But don't worry because we can still delete our old Facebook account even though without the password, email, or phone number. Okay, if you want to delete it, you can click on these three dots and then you're going to report the profile. By reporting the profile, the Facebook will delete the profile automatically without our password, email, or phone number. And then you have to choose the something about this profile because if you click this option, a specific post, it means that you only report the post of this account. So if you want to delete your account, you have to select this option. Okay, and then you can choose the reason why you are reporting this profile. And I'm just going to select pretending to be someone. And then I'm going to select me. Let's say that this account is pretending to be me. And then we can simply click on submit. And after that, the Facebook will review our report. You can see the process right here. Now the report has been received. And now we have to wait for the review from the Facebook. And then after the review has been finished, you can get the decision from the Facebook. The decision will be made. And after the Facebook has accepted your report, your old account will be deleted by the Facebook. Your account will be permanently removed from the Facebook. You won't be able to find the account anymore. That's so easy, right? And trust me, it works, guys, because I have tried to report my old account and then the Facebook accepted my report. Then my account has been removed permanently from the Facebook. Now I cannot access or I cannot find my old Facebook account. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.